Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello friends. Hello children. Today we will learn about letter K. And we will enjoy the Kite Festival in Kuala Land and learn the importance of MakarSankranti. Letter K is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, here is a story of the Kuala Land. In the kingdom of Kuala Land, there was a king named Kite Kuala who loved to fly kites. He organized a kite festival once a month. All the koalas actively took part in that festival. King Kuala invited his friend King Play Kangaroo from the neighboring country named Kangalia and Princess Kitty Cat from Catty Island to take part in the festival. Together, they flew their kites up in the sky with all the other kites. As the kites drifted in the air, everybody sang. My kite flew high up in the sky, over the mountain, touching the rainbow. Flew high, flew high. My kite flew high, my kite flew high. My kite flew high, my kite flew high. That is the sound of letter K. This is an uppercase K and this is a lowercase k. The sound of letter K is k, k as in king, k as in koala, k as in kite.
Out in the garden one fine day, with my kite I went to play. I flew with the right, I flew with left. I flew with the right, I flew with left.
I flew with the high up the sky.
Miss, why do we celebrate Kite Festival?
Let me tell you the importance of Kite Festival. Kite Festival is also known as MakarSankranti in India. MakarSankranti is celebrated on the 14th and 15th January of every year. It marks the end of the harvest season and the beginning of spring. Farmers thank Mother Nature for a plentiful crop. The festival is dedicated to the sun god. On this day, the sun starts its journey from Dakshinayan, that is south, to Uttarayan, that is north. The festival is celebrated all across India and is known by various names in each state. For example, Uttarayan in Gujarat, Sankranti in West Bengal, Bihu in Assam, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, and lohri in North India. The festival is famous for kite flying. People are out in the open to fly kites and receive the healthy rays of the sun. On this day, people decorate their homes with colorful rangolis and exchange delicious sweets made of sesame seeds and jaggery. In general, it depicts the start of a period of peace, prosperity, and goodwill. Happy MakarSankranti, children. Stay safe, stay blessed.
And please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. Bye.